Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Milansoccer1313. This is box break number 599. It is for a Series 2 hobby, 2021-22, September the 9th. Last box of Case 2. Just going to go over here, show you the date and time. It is a little later than usual. Apologies, I had an event and could not start the break till now. But we are getting it on the same night. So I want to thank everybody again for participating. And let's run through the eBay usernames and then I'll quickly come back to the serial number. Anaheim Ducks and Canadians belong to 2006 Billy M. The Canes, the Sharks, the Blues belong to Adams 7595. The Islanders and the Senators belong to ASHOS or ASHOS-5571. Canucks belong to Anthabata 0. The Stars and the Pens, Kojo Breaks. The Lightning, the Leafs, the Knights, and the Caps belong to Chthonic 1409. The Jets belong to Collection Hall. The Wild Devils, East Coast Darcy. The Flames Oilers, Flaming J. The Bruins, the Kings, and the Rangers, Geodry-31. The Avs, Hockey MC. The Coyotes, the Predators, Jovan W7280. The Sabres, LK356. The Hawks, Nathan 74. The Kraken, RL Cards. The Wings, Rockstar 79 RC. The Flyers, Spare Parts 21. And the Jackets and the Panthers belong to Super Pop Collectibles. Going back up here, it is 4373. Coming back here, 4373. Last box. Thank you, everyone. Good luck, everyone. This is the last of the Series 2 that will be broken this year anyways, unless we get a few more, but this is it. On the screen there. There you go. Don't want to block it, but nothing left. Good luck, everyone. And here we go. Let's get cracking. Sorry, just trying to line this up there. Make sure we can see everything. And starting off with a fluorescence for Vladimir Trachek for your LA Kings. Congratulations, Kachekev. Congratulations to LA fluorescence. Oh, and a Young Guns right behind. Nice one for your Colorado Avalanche. Alex Newhook. That's a nice Young Gun as well. Congratulations to Colorado. Nice pack to start the break off with. And if this comes apart, I can get this Dazzler showing here. There we go. A Dazzler, Victor Hedman for your Tampa Bay Lightning. UD Portrait for your Vegas Knights, Logan Thompson. Young Guns, Jesse Yolenin for your Montreal Canadiens. Congratulations, Montreal. That is an honor roll for Brent Burns for your San Jose Sharks. Panthers, OPG Sam Reinhart for your Florida Panthers. And another it's a marquee rookie, LA, Vladimir Kichekev. Young Gun for your Devils, Dawson Mercer. Nice Devils Young Gun card there. Congratulations, New Jersey. Oh, nice. UD canvas of Bernie Perron. That is a retro UD canvas. This is tough. This is a hit, and a nice hit that is. That is a Bernie Perron Philadelphia Flyer canvas. Nice card there for Philadelphia. Congratulations. Those you don't see too many of, so that is a nice hit. Marquee rookie Jonathan Dahlen for your San Jose Sharks. Marquee rookie Taylor Radish for your Tampa Bay Lightning. UD Canvas, Martin Necas for your Canes, your Carolina Hurricanes. UD Portrait, Dawson Mercer for your Devils. That's a rookie UD, I should have mentioned. Nice. Philip Tomasino for your Nashville Predators. Nice Young Gun. There's been some really nice Young Guns in this box. Nice retro UD canvas for the last box as well. Marquee rookie Benoit Oliver Gourlot for your Anaheim Ducks. UD Canvas, Sebastian Aho for your Carolina Hurricanes. Marquee rookie, Ivan Prostevov for your Arizona Coyotes. See if we can get this one open. There we go. One just didn't open. Superstar honor roll, Boris Kachkov for your Tampa Bay Lightning. For your New York Rangers, Justin Richards, Young Gun. Jacob Berard Docker for your Ottawa Senators, Young Gun. That is some nice Young Guns. That's a French variant on Mark Stahl for your Detroit Red Wings. Let me just make sure I show that there. I want to make sure it's French. Yep, because the other one's a bit shiny. French variant, Mark Stahl, Detroit. Marquee rookie, Taylor Radish, Tampa Bay Lightning. UD Canvas, Thomas Hertl for your San Jose Sharks. Coming up to the last pack of Series 2 Hobby and Series 2 period. Let's hope it's a good one. Come on, big hit. UD Canvas, Sidney Crosby. At least it's Crosby. That's for your Pittsburgh Penguins. Let's just go back here. Show you date and time. 12/49. Pittsburgh. We had Pittsburgh. C.A. Joe Breaks had Pittsburgh. Have a good night, everyone.